Oh, I saw your question on discussion board about use adjacent figure to approximate the circular function values for a cosine of 2.2 and a sine of 2.2 within a successive tenths of an inch, then use a calculator to approximate it to nearest hundredths. So you can see that this is the unit circle, or the radius of this circle is 1. So we want to find the cosine of 2.2, what's it between? So you look along the circle, here's 1 and here's 2. They're counting by tenths here. So that next one would be 2.1, and so here's 2.2. Well, if you find the x value of that, that's the cosine. If you find the y value, that's the sine. So I'm looking at it. It looks like it's real close to 0.6, but just eyeballing it looks like it's between 0.5 and 0.6. So I think you'd put 0.5 here and 0.6 here. So, since the radius of this is 1, it's just going to be the x coordinate here, and the sine would be the y coordinate. Hope that helps. Oh, and this is to the left of 0, so that'd be negative 0.6 and negative 0.5. Be sure to include the negative signs. Put an answer, so it'll be negative 0.6 and negative 0.5. Hope that helps.